quick video before I head off to work. And I think I'm going to name him Buckles, like Arbuckles. Ouch, somebody's biting on the back leg there. Of course, it's Stuffina. Anyways, this is little. That's my smallest adult girl with her little baby boy. He is up for adoption. He's only, oh God, not even a week old at this point. Anyways, that's Mr. Buckles and his mama Ayla. Let's walk over here and see the other two, Cayenne and Pablo. Cayenne Pab with Mama Pepper. Cayenne and Pablanos. Hi, Kai. Kai's a very social kind of guy. Pablano, he's a little more reserved. Hi, babies. See if I can get them to come over to me here. Oh, bring your Pepper baby over here. Oh, Kai's gonna get a little sippy sip. Come here, Kai. Come here, Kai. Kai. Cayenne. Come here, babies. Cayenne. Pablano. Mama's trying to get him in the shady box over there. I like how the mamas park the babies. Come here, Cayenne. Come here, baby. Come here. What? What, Mama? They're not listening? They're boys. That's what boys do. Boys don't listen as well as the girls. No, they never do. Oh, we found the tires. We found some tires to hide in. Pablano's in here too. Hi. Hi there, Cayenne. Okay. I just love baby goats. Anyways, the loud peas over there. Papa's gonna get a little sippy sip. Cayenne says, "Hey, that looks like a deal. I think I'll do that too." Yep. There's Pepper, Cayenne, and Pablo. Pablo and Cayenne and Peppercorn. Let's go find Buckles again. Oh, there's Bella. Bella Ballerina. Oh, there's Buckles. Let me get rid of all these damn nettles out here. Hi. Hi, Buckle. Hi, Mama. Hi, Ayla. You're a pretty girl. And hello, little Buckles. Hello, little Buckles. Little baby Buckle. Yeah. Up. Ha ha ha. Sages. Hi, Sages. Hi, Sager. Our little buckling we're going to keep. Because he's terribly handsome. And Lucy. What are you doing under the milk stand, huh? What are you doing in the new milk stand? You want to try that out later? Yeah, we'll try that out later. Yep. Yeah, we just leave Buckles laying in the dirt. I'd like it if their mamas put them in a little more secure area. But, hey, it is what it is. And I gotta go to work. Gotta follow his mama around. He's a good boy. Hi, Lucy. Anyways, please like and subscribe our videos. This is our 3 latest little guys. See if I can find the one that's a wee bit older. Oh, there he is. The one that's just about 2 weeks older. There he is. No, that's not. That's Ivy. I gotta find Earl. Earl's hiding from me. I'm gonna find Earl real fast. Earl's around here somewhere. Pause this for a second. Oh, I found him. He's in plain sight. His mama's blocking him. There's Earl. He's getting big quick. Huh, Teeny? Your boy's getting big quick. Hi, Earl Boys. Oh, you got somebody saying hi. It's a girl donkey. It's my Jasmine. Hi, Teeny. Hello, sweetie. Oh, dear. And there's Earl. There's Earl's. And a Jasmine. Pan out. Hi, Jasmine. Hi, baby girl. Put my finger up your nose. Oh, here comes Jasper. That's my handsome steed. That's my handsome boy. Yeah. He just go away. That's my human. Yeah. I love you, boy. Yeah, he's handsome. Him something very handsome. Yeah. Be a bath later. I love them. I don't do enough of my donkeys. Huh, there's Earl. She's teaching her baby how to be a good boy. He's getting big very quickly. One more time. And here we just leave Earl standing in the dirt. I'm going to put him somewhere different. I don't like him laying in the middle of everything for dirt. Come on, how about you get in the box? She's trying to get him in there. Let me see here. Oh, God. Ah, I got him. Here, we'll put him in a tire. That contains him. There we go. And Lucy being silly. Anyways, once again, this is Mr. Buckles. Because he looks like a little belt buckle. He can't get out of there. Oh no. That's a good way to contain him, huh? I figured out. You want out, Buckle? Hmm? Oh, yeah. There we go. Here we go. There. Oh, oh. Almost. There you go. All right. And my beautiful herd boss, Miss Surryness. He is such a beautiful girl. Hi. I'll see you when I get home. There goes Mr. Wildman. Did you put your babies in the box in there? All right. I bet she did. Let's go take a quick peek in here. I bet she put them into the baby box. No, she didn't. Where'd you put them? Where'd you put your babies? Huh? You put them in the other box? Are they in there? They are. She put them in the other box. Kind of a cool setup here. We have, that is where Gigi and Opal hide out when they first got here, and they still sleep under there. This is actually the baby box. And, well, whatever. She puts them in there, keeps them safe. Miss Kelly. Hi, Kelly. Anyways, that's it for today. Just can't help it. Buckles with his mama Ayla. There's Earl and Teeny. Oh, everybody have a really good day. And like our videos, please. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you can see when we post our video each time. And everybody have a wonderful day. Say bye-bye, Callie. Callie. Hi, Callie. Say, everybody have a wonderful day. See you on the next one.